Hey, what's going on, guys? Back to a little bit of 3D printing. Now, summer is upon us, and I have been outside cleaning up my backyard, my outdoor shower, things like that. And I have noticed that I have an issue around here with wasps. They like to get into places that I want to be into, the corners of my outdoor shower, out and around the patio, and nobody likes wasps. They're just little buttheads that really serve no purpose. They're not like honeybees or something like that. So I wanted to know what I could do to deter them. I can go out there with wasp spray and, kill them all and do all that. But I want something that's just going to keep them away so I don't have to do that. And lo and behold, our 3D printing enters the chat with these hornet nests. Apparently, wasps don't like hornets. I guess they're natural enemies. Well, on Maker World, I will link the print down below, just like I always do. There is a print for hornet nests. And I'm going to hang these guys. I got two of them here. I'm going to hang these guys out back. I'm going to hang one around my outdoor shower. I'm going to hang one around my patio out back and see just how it works. Now, what I chose to print these out of was Hobby Lobby's wood PLA. And I think that these things turned out pretty amazing. Like, they're going to look natural. Not that I think wasps care if I use black or white or pink or whatever, but I'm going to hang these up. I'm having a party this weekend, and I want to see if there are any people that are like, oh, man, you got a hornet nest up there. You got a hornet nest up there. No, these are mine. Again, like I said, there's a small hole here, and in the back of my mind, it's like, I don't want to encourage hornets to make a nest here. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully I don't get anything crazy here. I will report back and let you guys know just how well these things worked, or if they, didn't work at all. I'm really hoping that they do. So that is my little 3D printing tidbit for today. If, like I said, you guys want the print file, I'll link it down below. Like, comment, sub, all that jazz. I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm Dan, and happy printing.